Hello and welcome to our channel, The Animal Watchers. In this episode, we will learn about some of the most amazing feats of nature, such as how a mantis shrimp can punch faster than a bullet, how a hummingbird can fly backwards and upside down, how a cheetah can run at speeds of over 100 km/h, and how a tardigrade can survive in extreme conditions. These are just some of the examples of how animals have adapted to their environments and developed incredible skills that defy our expectations. Join us as we discover the secrets behind these animal superpowers and what they can teach us about the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. 10. The platypus. One of the animals that has a superpower is the platypus, a mammal that can lay eggs and sense electricity. The platypus is a unique animal that is only found in Australia, and it belongs to a group of mammals called monotremes, which also includes the echidna. The platypus has a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, and webbed feet. It lives in freshwater habitats and feeds on worms, insects, crustaceans, and mollusks too. The most amazing abilities of the platypus are its egg-laying and electrolocation. The platypus is one of the few mammals that can lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The female platypus digs a burrow and lays 1 or 2 eggs, which she incubates for about 10 days. The baby platypuses, called puggles, hatch with teeth and feed on their mother's milk, which oozes from pores on her skin. The platypus can also sense electric fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey. It uses its bill, which has thousands of electroreceptors, to detect the electric signals and locate its food in murky water. The platypus is truly a remarkable animal with incredible abilities. 9. The dolphin. Dolphins are small-toothed cetaceans that belong to the family Delphinidae, oceanic dolphins, or the families Platanistidae and Anidae, river dolphins. There are 36 dolphin species, found in every ocean and some rivers. Dolphins have a streamlined body, flippers, a blowhole, and a layer of blubber for insulation. Dolphins can swim fast, dive deep, and jump high out of the water. The most amazing ability of the dolphin is its intelligence. Dolphins have a large brain that makes them very smart and curious. Dolphins can communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and body language. They can also use echolocation to locate objects and prey in the water. 8. The cuttlefish. The most amazing ability of the cuttlefish is its camouflage. Cuttlefish can change their color, pattern, texture, and shape to blend in with their surroundings or communicate with other cuttlefish. They do this by using special cells in their skin called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, which can expand or contract to create different effects. Cuttlefish can also mimic other species to catch prey or avoid predators. For example, some cuttlefish can pretend to be crabs, fish, or even snake. Cuttlefish are truly remarkable animals with an incredible ability to transform themselves. 7. The dung beetle. Dung beetles are insects that belong to the superfamily Scarabaeoidea, and most of them to the subfamily Scarabaeinae of the family Scarabaeidae. They are found on all continents except Antarctica, and they live in various habitats, such as deserts, grasslands, forests, and farmlands. Dung beetles can use dung as a food source or a breeding chamber, and they have different ways of handling it. Some dung beetles, known as rollers, shape dung into balls and roll them away from the pile. Others, known as tunnelers, dig underneath the pile and bury the dung. A third group, known as dwellers, simply live inside the dung. Dung beetles have incredible strength, as some of them can push balls that are up to 50 times their own body weight. They also have remarkable navigation skills, as they can use the sun, the moon, or even the stars as a compass. Dung beetles are beneficial for the environment, as they remove feces from the ground, reduce fly populations, recycle nutrients, and improve soil quality. Dung beetles are truly amazing animals with an incredible ability to make use of dung. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of the latest video uploads. 6. The lyrebird. Lyrebirds are birds that live in Australia and have long tail feathers that resemble a lyre, a musical instrument. Lyrebirds are famous for their vocal skills, as they can imitate not only other birds but also other animals, human voices, and even artificial sounds like chainsaws, cameras, or car alarms. Lyrebirds use their sounds to attract mates, defend their territory, or confuse predators. They have a complex syrinx or voice box that allows them to produce multiple sounds at once. You can watch some amazing videos of lyrebirds mimicking different sounds on YouTube. Lyrebirds are truly remarkable animals with an amazing ability to copy sounds. 5. The tardigrade. Tardigrades are known as water bears or moss piglets, are a phylum of 8-legged segmented microanimals that live in a variety of habitats worldwide. They are considered to be close relatives of arthropods. Tardigrades are famous for their ability to withstand extreme conditions, such as exposure to outer space, high and low temperatures, high and low pressures, radiation, dehydration, and starvation. They do this by entering a state of cryptobiosis, where they reduce their metabolic activity to near zero and form a protective layer around their bodies. Tardigrades can also regenerate their body parts if they are damaged or lost. Tardigrades are truly amazing animals, with an incredible ability to adapt and survive. 4. The Peregrine Falcon. One of the animals that has a superpower is the Peregrine Falcon, a bird that can fly faster than any other animal on Earth. The Peregrine Falcon is a cosmopolitan bird of prey that lives on every continent except Antarctica and many oceanic islands. It has a blue-gray back, barred white underparts, and a black head. It feeds mainly on other birds and bats, which it catches in midair with its sharp talons. The Peregrine Falcon can reach speeds of over 320 km (200 miles per hour) during its characteristic hunting stoop, which is a high-speed dive from a great height too. Some peregrines have been recorded to dive even faster, up to 389 kilometers (242 miles per hour). The Peregrine Falcon is a remarkable animal with an amazing ability to fly at incredible speeds. 3. The Electric Eel. One of the animals that has a superpower is the electric eel, a fish that can generate powerful electric shocks. The electric eel is not a true eel, but a member of the knifefish order, which is more closely related to carp and catfish. The electric eel has 3 electric organs that contain about 6,000 specialized cells called electrocytes, which can store and release electricity like batteries. The electric eel can produce shocks of up to 860 volts, which it uses to stun prey, defend itself, or communicate. The electric eel can also breathe air and use low-level electric pulses to navigate and locate prey in murky water. The electric eel is a remarkable animal with an amazing ability to control electricity. 2. The Axolotl. One of the animals that has a superpower is the axolotl, a salamander that can stay young forever. The axolotl is a type of amphibian that never undergoes metamorphosis, which means it keeps its larval features, such as external gills and a tail, even as an adult. The axolotl is also able to regenerate its limbs, organs, and parts of its brain if they are damaged or lost. The axolotl is native to Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City, where it is critically endangered due to habitat loss and pollution. The axolotl is widely studied by scientists for its remarkable ability to heal itself and its potential applications for human medicine. The axolotl is truly a wonder of nature with its eternal youth and amazing regeneration. 1. The Mantis Shrimp. One of the most amazing animals with superpowers is the mantis shrimp, a small but fierce crustacean that lives in tropical and subtropical waters. The mantis shrimp has 2 types of claws that it uses to hunt and kill its prey: spears and smashers. Spears have sharp, barbed appendages that can pierce through soft-bodied animals like fish and worms. Smashers have club-like appendages that can deliver powerful blows that can crack open shells and even break glass. The mantis shrimp can punch with the same velocity as a gunshot from a .22 caliber rifle, and it can do so in less than a millisecond. The mantis shrimp also has extraordinary eyesight, with 16 color receptors and the ability to see ultraviolet and polarized light. The mantis shrimp is truly a remarkable animal with incredible abilities. If you enjoyed this fierce battle of the animal kingdom, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our thrilling wildlife encounters and more. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Stay wild and stay tuned.